Today we are going to study how to manipulate the data in the table. So in the previous lecture already we have studied how to create the tables and manipulate the tables. So already we have created the table employee. This is the table employee. This is the structure of the table employee. Table student. This is the structure of the table student. Table department. This is the structure of the table department. Also we have populated the table employee. This is the information of the table employee, table student and table department. Today we are going to study how to update the table. So update and set, the statement are used to modify the data in the rows of the table. So to modify the data in the rows of the table, we will use the statement update and set. Where clause, the change will be made only in the record which match the condition given in where clause. The condition will be given, we will use where clause. The syntax to update the data will be update table name, set column name, that is name of the column to modify, is equal to value, that is value to update with, then where condition semicolon. So this is the syntax. Now we will see some examples. Question is increase the salary of all employees by 1000 in the employee table. So you have to increase the salary of all the employees in the table employees. So this is the column sal. You have to increase the salary of all employees by 1000. The command will be update name of the table employee, set the name of the column to modify is sal. You have to increase the salary of each employee. So sal is equal to increase the salary by 1000. So new salary will be sal plus 1000 semicolon enter. Now you have to see the salary is updated or not. To give the command select, you have to see the content of the table employee. Use the command select star from employee. Semicolon enter. Now see the salary of each employee is was increased by 1000. Now we will see one more example. So change the marks of the student with roll number 1000 to 60 in the table student. So you have to change the marks to 60 of the roll number 1000. So this is the table student and this is the student with roll number 1000. We have to make the marks of the student will be 60. So command will be update student, that is name of the table, set. So name of the column to modify is s underscore marks, to modify the marks of the student. So value to update with is 60. To make the marks will be 60. Then condition, we have to update the marks of the student with roll number. It is name of the column s underscore rn is equal to 100. So update name of the table, set, and name of the column to modify, that is s underscore marks is equal to 60, to make the marks 60, where this is the condition. You have to change the marks of the student with roll number 1000, that is s underscore rn is equal to 1000. We have to see the change, to select star from student. Now see, the marks of the student with roll number 1000 is 60. Now we'll see more examples. So question is, change the date of birth, that is s underscore bod, of a student with roll number 1002 to September 7, 1999 in the table student. So command will be update, name of the table is student, set, then name of the column to modify is s underscore bod is equal to the value to update with is 7 September 1999, that is 1999-9-07, where the condition is you have to change the date of birth of the student with roll number 1002. So condition is s underscore rn is equal to 1002 semicolon. We will see one more example. The change the last name to Sawant for employee with first name is Sunil in the table employee. So you have to change last name to Sawant with first name of the employee is Sunil. So command will be update, name of the table is employee, set, the name of the column to modify is l underscore name, that is last name, is equal to Sawant. Now to make the last name will be Sawant, of the employee whose first name is Sunil. So here condition is f underscore name, that is first name, is equal to Sunil, semicolon, enter. Now we will see how to delete the rows. The command is used to delete the few rows or record we satisfy in the where clause. So syntax will be delete from name of the table, where this is the condition, where the condition semicolon. The question will be delete the row where student roll number is 1002 in the table student. So command will be delete from student, this is the name of the student, where student roll number is the condition, student roll number is s underscore, this is the name of the column, s underscore rn is equal to 1002. So you have to delete the row with roll number 1002 in the table student. So command is delete from name of the table student, where the student roll number is, that is s underscore rn is 1002. We will see one more example. To delete the row where employee number is 281716 in the employee table. So command will be delete from name of the table, where so we have to delete the information of the row with employee number is 2816. So this is the condition. So where emp underscore no is equal to 2816. So command is delete from employee, where emp underscore no is equal to 2816. We will see one more example. The question is delete the row where student name is Raj in the table students. So here you have to delete the row with name of the student is Raj. So delete from student is the name of the table, where student name, the name of the column is s underscore name is equal to Raj. This is in quote, semicolon. So command is delete from student, this is the name of the table, where student name is equal to Raj. Now we will see how to delete all the rows in the table. So delete statement we use to delete all the rows. The question is delete all the rows in the table student 1. The command will be delete from name of the table is student 1 semicolon. So command is delete from student 1 semicolon. We will see one more question. Delete all the rows in the table employee. The command will be delete from employee. So this is the name of the table. So delete from employee. Now we will see how to create table using another table. So table can be created using columns and data from another table. So question is create the table student 1 containing column s underscore name, s underscore adrs, s underscore rn using the table student. So already we have created the table students having the column s underscore na, s underscore adrs, s underscore bod, s underscore gender, s underscore marks and s underscore rn. Now you have to create the new table, that is student 1, having the columns s underscore name, s underscore adrs and s underscore rn by using the table student. So command will be create table student 1, select s underscore name, s underscore adrs, s underscore rn from the table student. So command is create table student 1, select s underscore name, s underscore adrs, s underscore rn from student. We will see one more example. Create table employee 1 containing column employee emp underscore no, f underscore name, j underscore code and sal using the table employee. So already we have created the table employee. By using the table employee, we have to create the table employee 1 having these 4 columns. The command will be create table employee 1, select emp underscore no, comma f underscore name, comma j underscore code, comma sal, each column separated by commas from employee. So command is create table employee 1, select name of the tables employee number, f underscore name, j underscore code, comma sal from employee semicolon. Now we will see the alter table statement. So alter table statement is used to add, modify and delete the columns, that is to make the change in the structure of the table. We will use alter table statement. Also it is used to rename the table. So in the previous slides we have seen how to change the rows. Now here we will see how to make the change in the structure of the table, that is how to add, how to drop, that is delete, how to change the size or change the name and modify the data. Now we will see alter table statement. So alter table statement is used to add, modify and delete the column, that is to make the change in the structure of the table. So to make the structure in the table, you have to use alter table. It is also used to rename the table. So it is alter table statement is used to add, delete, change and modify the data. Now we will see how to add a column in the table. So add statement along with the alter table statement is used to add the column in the table. So syntax is alter table, table name, then add, then column name, that column we have to add, then data type. So syntax is alter table, table name, add, column name, data type. For example, our question is add new column, date of joining is the DOG, comma date is the data type at the end of the table department. The command will be alter table department, add, you have to add the column DOG, that is date of joining, then data type is date. So command is alter table department, add, DOG date, semicolon. We'll see one more question. Add in the table student new column scholarship which will be assigned, which will be unsigned with default value 500 with 3 integer and 2 decimal places. So you have to add the column scholarship with characteristic is unsigned and its default value is 500 with 3 integer and 2 decimal places. So alter table student, add is the name of the column, that is we have to add a scholarship, a data type with 3 integer and 2 decimal places. So decimal 5,2, unsigned, the default value is 500. So command is alter table student, add, scholarship, decimal 5,2, unsigned, default 500. We'll see one more example. Add new column, mobile number, as a column name is MOB, data type is integer, at the end of the table employee. The command will be alter table employee, the name of the table, add mobile is the name of the column, int is the data type, semicolon. So alter table employee, add MOB int. We see one more example. Add new column age, data type is integer, at the beginning of the table students. Now in the last example we have seen how to add the column end of the table. Now we will see how to add the column in the beginning of the table. So command will be alter table, name of the table, the student, add, you have to add the column age. So add age, the data type small int, first. So you have to write the keyword first. So command is alter table student, add age, small int first. So we will add the age column first in the table. Now we will see how to add the column in between. So add new column age, the age comma integer, after the column student marks in the table student. So you have to add the column age after the column student marks. So command will be alter table student, add, name of the column age, small int is the data type, after you have to use the keyword after, then name of the column s underscore marks. So command will be after table student, sorry, alter table student, add the name of the column, we have to add age is the data type small int, after the column s underscore marks, semicolon. Now we will see how to change the name of the column. To change statement along with alter table statement is used to change the name of the column and to make change in their width in the table. So along with alter table we will use change statement to change the name of the column and to make the change in their width in the table. So syntax will be alter table name, change the column name, this is the old column name, to new column name, then data type. The question is rename the column s_BOD to dbt in the table students. So old name is sBOD, s_BOD. You have to make name of this column s_BOD to dbt. So answer is, or command is, alter table student, change s_BOD space dbt, data type is date, semicolon. So command is alter table student, change s_BOD to dbt date. We'll see one more example. Rename column j_type to job type. So alter table department, change old column name is j_type, new column name is job type. So already is data type is varchar 15 semicolon. So command is alter table department, change j_type to job type varchar 15. Next question will be rename the column j_type to job type and its width also made as 30 in the table department. So already its width is 15, we have to make it as 30. So command will be alter table department, change j_type to job type, this is the old name, this is a new name, varchar variable character 13 semicolon. So command is alter table department, change j_type to job type varchar 30. Next question is to change the name of the column scholarship to e-scholarship and make it as 4 integer and 2 decimal with default value 1000. So command will be alter table name of the table student, change old name of the column is scholarship, new name of the column is e-scholarship, decimal is a 4 integer 2 decimal means decimal 6,2, default 1000 semicolon. So command is alter table student, change scholarship e-scholarship decimal 6,2, default 1000 semicolon.